Hey guys, so we are going to be replacing the front brake line for my Honda 2023 CRF125F. So we're going to need glove work gloves for the hazardous materials, Mighty Vac brake bleeder, 4-inch crescent wrench, 12mm wrench with a Castrol React SRF racing brake fluid. So we're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just gonna take off these two little screws. So we got the brake bleeder on the Zerk fitting. So now you're going to just turn this about a quarter down. So we had a little problem with the seal on the Mighty Vac. So we weren't able to show us sucking it through, but here is all the liquid brake fluid. So we are now going to use the 12mm socket to take off the brake line. So we are now going to use the 12mm socket to remove the brake line. Now we're going to take off this bracket.
And you just want to be careful not to get brake fluid on your disc brakes. Let's thread this back through the brackets, the new brake line. Kind of just get that in position. Don't have to be as careful with this one since there's no fluid in there. And you just gotta watch. This one's gonna be kind of tough since it's a brand new cable. You're gonna have to kind of twist it around and turn it to get it into its position. So we're gonna put it like that. Put the screw in there, some new washers. Just wanna make sure everything's real clean. This washer has one washer on that side of the bolt, and then we're just going to put the other one in there. Kind of get that into position. Go ahead and tighten this. Tighten this little support. And this will help as we're maneuvering the other top part of this brake line. This will keep everything still. So go ahead and do the same thing with this one. Washer on the front side of the bolt. Put one on the back. And just go ahead and get it fed through. You're gonna want these on pretty snug, as you don't want hydraulic fluid leaking out. We'll give you guys some specs, torque specs at the end of the video of what these should all be spec'd out to.
Here we go.
We're gonna pour some brake fluid into the reservoir, and then we're gonna start working the brake bleeder down below. You could also just use the brake lever, which will also kind of pump the brake fluid into the brake line.
Yeah. Ready? We're gonna take this diaphragm. Make sure you can read it when you're sitting on the bike. So that would be this way. Make sure you nicely put it in. And make sure you tighten these all well and alternate through the two. Make sure you get them both real tight. Not too tight though. Ready?
Want to clean off all the excess fluid. Brake fluid can be pretty corrosive to paint, so you just want to get all the excess cleaned off. And then, hey Eric, why don't you go ahead and give the brake lever a test for us. So, nice and firm. Yeah, perfect.
Alrighty, think that's good. Well, if you can leave a like or subscribe, or even a comment, that would be great. And send this to your friend or something. And so, bye.